Did you know that most people are looking to earn a little extra cash? It's one of the most common concerns people have all over the world. People getting extra cash just to make ends meet. You might be one of those people who find it hard to make money online without that much of an effort. So if you are that person, then continue watching because today I will show you the easiest way to earn up to $100 a day online with this technique. All you need is your smartphone or a computer with a good internet connection, and you will be good to go. If you get serious about doing this technique, you can earn a lot just by doing what you always do, which is watching YouTube videos. And this is absolutely free. Most likely, you're considering all the pleasant things you could get with that money. But it is not impossible because today I will show you ways to make money with just your smartphone or computer. Of course, I want to show you how to achieve it without any cost because there is no need to invest money in this. This is 100% free, and I'll walk you through the websites that can produce this earning potential here so you can put them to use now and withdraw payments immediately. The great thing is that they are available everywhere in the world, and anyone can absolutely do it. It doesn't matter where you are, you can earn money online. But before we dive in deeper, consider subscribing to the Money Kings and click on that notification bell and be ready to get updated with the latest, easiest and best possible ways to earn money from the comfort of your home. Now that you have subscribed, let's dive right in. Now, the first thing you need is, of course, a PayPal account. It is wonderful if you already have it, but if you don't, do not be concerned because I will guide you through the procedure for a free registration. Now, you should go to paypal.com and search at the upper right corner for the sign up button. Then all you have to do is just type in all of your personal data. After you have done that, then hit the sign up button. If you don't want to use PayPal, you have alternative options and methods of payment like bank transfers and with other channels accessible in the platform. Now, the website that you can use to test products or give opinions is called respondent.io. Essentially, this website carries out studies for big businesses for them to provide better services to their respective clients. Respondent.io has a wide variety of research methods in order to provide excellent and accurate results. Respondent.io offers product research, exploratory research, competitive analysis, business research, consumer research, and personal research. This website is legit because it cooperates with the most famous brands that you might know, like Microsoft and many more. So now, if you will sign up on this website immediately, you will be given access to the group which lists businesses or companies that are wanting real people to test their products and get their opinions on it. So, you will first need to sign up by clicking the Get Started button. Now you will see there are two different options. The first option is the researcher. That's for the people who are researchers for a corporation that wants to conduct a research panel. But what you want to sign up for today is a participant. That way, you will be making money online as a participant in the studies. So click on Create an Account and it will lead you directly to the registration page. After you have completed signing up, your studies will be matched by an algorithm that matches your criteria. And you will be able to look through those projects and the ones you will want to partake in. In your dashboard, I would recommend that you filter your projects, so click on Filter and you can see here that you can adjust the target audience, the project type, and what's important is this one, the compensation and the time in minutes. Now, you can leave the compensation just as it is, and I recommend that you filter the time that you work. So you can choose projects with a shorter amount of working time, or you can also choose the one with longer periods of time. Now, once you have chosen a project, just click on it and you will see the title of the research in the upper part. Then over here, you can see how much you will be paid, and below are other important details like the time duration, the type of the project, and the number of questions in this survey. Once you have selected it, just press on the blue button that says Start Screener, and you will have to answer some questions about yourself. As soon as you're finished participating and giving your input to the study, you will immediately be compensated through your PayPal account, and you are free to repeat the entire process and keep receiving money every single day just by taking part in this certain research studies. But another cool thing about Respondent.io is that it also has a program that will pay you for referring your friends. If you go down at the very bottom of the page, under participants, you just need to click on Refer Friends. Then you can see how this works. You can get paid $20 if you refer a friend who signs up to Respondent.io, who makes $75 in total. So go ahead and share this video with your friends so that they can also start earning money online, because we don't want your friends and family missing out on making extra money in such a simple way. And you will also get $20 in return. I hope that you learn this trick because it is so fun, and on top of that, it can get you earning tons of cash. Now, if you like this video, then come back and check out our other videos that you might also like. Don't forget to share this with your friends and family so that they can also start earning serious money just by staying at home and utilizing their phones and laptops. Have fun binge watching your favorite shows, and thank you for watching.